Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, November 14th, I think. Oh. We had a flat tire on the tractor yesterday, and Ed's got to get a new tire to put on the rim, but he's going to show you what he has to do to take the old one off in order to put the new one on, to change it.
This is front 1016. When you go changing a tire, a lot of people have asked me before, what do I mean by change a tire? First of all, I have a little tool. I take what they call the guts out of the valve stem. That way all the air will come out. Then you have what this area around here is called the bead, and you have to break the bead. I've already done the other side. A lot of places have bead breakers where they put them on. I do it the old-fashioned way, where you just take a wedge, your hammer, you just keep going back and forth, and that breaks that off there. Then you have to take your other tools and get the tire off so you can get the tube out. This is a regular tire iron that I have. It's made for this. And here again, a lot of shops have places where they just put them on a machine. The machine goes around, flops this right off. I do it manually, I guess we could say. My other good bar's in the tractor, so I have to use this long one. But once you get them started, they work pretty good. Especially these old tires. This one is pretty well shot. Oh.
He's always said he's going to get himself a tire changer, but he doesn't.
This keeps you young, I guess. Either that, young, or sore. Whichever works best. But as you'll notice, as I keep going around, it gets easier and easier. And then you can get in there. You can get your tube out. And as you can see, this one's already been patched a few times. I've made it through the summer with it, but I don't think it's going to make it any farther. There's where I patched the inside of the tire. Now for a wagon, I might be able to, a hay wagon, which aren't as heavy. I blow these tubes up, see if I can find a number of holes in them, and if it's not that bad, I will take and patch them and have them for spares. This one I don't think is going to pass the test. It's got quite a lot of wear and tear on it. That patch is actually coming right off.
That one.
So I think this is probably bit the dust, but we'll blow it up and try just to see. Now to get the tire the rest of the way off, the best way I've found is to set them on end. Be a lot younger, that helps too.
Well, that ain't gonna happen.
Well, let's hope. Get in there. I like this bench I've got. A lot better than bending over. But it's actually a little bit too high. Now you can do this one of two ways. I try that way first, and it usually never works. And then you go through, maybe this being a big tire, I won't put it down. You go through with your bar and just pry it off, which doesn't look like it's going to happen very easy, which none of them do. Now she'll go get me a new tire and tube. I'll check this rim over, make sure there's no burrs on it. You can see it. Over the years they rust a little. Shine it up a little bit, and we'll go through the reverse process and stay young a little bit longer. Everybody have a good day, and we'll catch you later.